How to make your following list private on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on privacy and then scroll down to the interaction section, and from there click on following list. Now as you can see, the who can see your following list option is set to everyone. So in order for you to private and hide your following list, you need to choose the second option that says only me. But keep in mind that if you select the second option, other users will only see mutual friends, as TikTok tells you right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide and private your following list on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.